9735-7. Disorderly conduct, failure to comply with requests or commands of law enforcement officers, penalties and exceptions. 1. Whoever with intent to provoke a breach of the peace or under such circumstances as may lead to a breach of the peace or which may cause a breach of the peace fails to or refuses to promptly comply with or obey a request, command, or order of a law enforcement officer having the authority to then and there arrest any persons for a such violation of the law. 2. Move or absent himself and any other vehicle or object subject to his control from the immediate vicinity where the request, command, or order is given, or B. arises if lying or sitting down and moved to a point designated by said officer outside of the immediate area of or which is affected by the occurrences at the place of issue such order, command, or request, or C. refrain from laying down or sitting down at or the immediate vicinity of the place where said order, request, or command is given, or D. refrain from obstructing with his body or any part thereof or any manner the lawful movement or passage of any vehicle, or E. refrain from placing or permitting or cooperating with another to place his body or any part thereof in front of or behind any vehicle in such manner as to interfere with or prevent its movement or block its path and unlawful movement, or F. refrain from changing or trying or binding himself or another to any object or person, or G. unbind, unchain, or loosen himself or remove himself from any chain or other means whereby he may be prevented from moving away from the place of the immediate vicinity where he may be when such officer issues said order, request, or command, or H. walk or move to enter and remain in either or both as may be directed by such officer, any police officer or other vehicle operated by any other law enforcement officer or department or any other vehicle designated by such an officer, or I. act to do or refrain from acting or doing as ordered, requested, or commanded by said officer to avoid any breach of the peace at or near the place of issuance of such order, request, or command shall be guilty of disorderly conduct, which is made a misdemeanor, and upon conviction thereof, such person or persons shall be punished by a fine of not more than $500 or imprisonment into the county jail not more than 6 months, or by both such fine and imprisonment. 2. Any person who causes or aids or encourages or abets another to violate or in violating any provision of subsection 1 hereof shall be guilty of disorderly conduct, which is made a misdemeanor, and upon conviction thereof, such person or persons shall be punished by a fine of not more than $500 or imprisonment in the county jail for not more than 6 months, or both such fine and imprisonment. 3. If any person alone or in concert with others violate subsection 1 or 2 hereof, or both under such circumstances or in such a manner as to it's a willful and wanful disregard for the life and safety of another, and as a result thereof another person or persons to be injured, maimed, or killed, the person or persons so violating subsection 1 or 2 hereof or both shall be guilty of a felony, and upon convictions thereof each person or person shall be imprisoned in the state penitentiary not longer than 5 years, or be fined not more than $2,000, or both such fine and imprisonment. 4. The act of breastfeeding shall not consist in disorderly conduct. 5. The provisions of this section are supplementary to the provisions of any other statutes of the state. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.